Today I'm going to show you how to get about 5 meals out of half of a pork loin. This is $9.34 worth of meat, 5 1/4 pounds. I paid $1.79 a pound. We're cooking with Jill. Welcome to my kitchen. This half a pork loin can be used for many things, and you can get 5 or 6 meals out of this. Well, we're a family of 2, but we usually get 5 or 6 meals out of it, plus lots of leftovers. So let me show you a few things. This is my Victorinox carving knife. I usually carve standing rib roasts, hams, and things like that. But when you have a larger piece of meat, like this pork loin here, it's really nice for slicing it up and portioning it up for saving. Let me show you how this works. See how quickly that cut through there? This is a very, very clean cut and smooth. I normally wouldn't get that smooth of a cut with a butcher knife, and that's why I like using this slicing knife. Victorinox is the same company that makes Swiss Army knives. So this end of the loin, I actually want to cut into fairly thick pieces. I'm going to make some very interesting Mexican food with this. So let me get 3 nice sized chunks here that are good inch thick. And then what I want to do now is get some slices out of this that are about, about 3/4 of an inch thick. And these will be my chops. It just slices right through this pork loin. 1, 2. So there are 4 chops. And this will make for a nice roast. We will get several meals out of this roast, and then we'll use the leftovers. I like slicing it up very thin and julienne the meat and use it in, say, pork fried rice and things like that. So we'll probably get about 3 meals out of this roast. We have 4 pork chops here. There are 2 of us. So that's 2 meals. And then I've got this nice chunk of meat here that's going to be used for some Mexican food that'll be a nice surprise for you. So how would you package this meat and store it? This roast can go into a gallon freezer bag. And then I would take 2 of these chops. They could easily go in a sandwich bag or a quart bag. 2 more chops in a sandwich bag or quart bag. And these 3 big pieces here that I cut extra thick, they'll fit well in a quart bag. Just put them in the freezer. I'll be back with you later in another video talking about other ways to plan meals, save money in the kitchen with your dinners. Thank you. You have fun.